My whole diet will consist of this. It has corn in it.
That's a vegetable.
Yeah, it's a vegetable. We can start right there.
We start always with like the basic recipe of a cake, and then we tweak from there. So we'll be like, what would happen if we add less sugar and more salt? Like, what is it that makes popcorn popcorn? After trying everything under the sun, it turns out that taking store-bought popcorn and grinding it down into a flour was actually where we needed to go.
That was the key.
Like, ask me to choose a favorite child. Soft serve.
Soft serve. Oh.
My grandma's oatmeal.
Her grandmom's oatmeal.
So our cake comes out of the tray.
That was impressive.
We bake all of our cake like this, even though we're gonna make these rounds, because you get the best evenly baked cake here.
See, I thought this came out perfectly. Now I see what you did.
Okay, but then we have to make a bunch of rounds out of the rectangles. So this is my favorite, how to cut your round. You need like one really beautiful round for the top. The middle one, it'd be nice if it were pretty round. And then the bottom one can just be like a cobbling together.
Ah, that's the secret.
You got it,
So do it this way?
Yeah, don't even second guess yourself.
I wish this was the rules for life. Yes.
Filled with frosting. Cornflakes.
Really?
Well, because we put the sugar in after the fact.
Okay, as an adult, I guess I should say cornflakes.
So we're gonna put the ugliest layer down first, or the most cobbled together. So give me that half. Just use the back of our hand to get it down into one layer.
Okay.
And then cake soak.
Now what's the soak made of?
So it depends on the cake.
Okay.
For popcorn cake, we made popcorn milk. Where you basically take popcorn, you steep it in milk, and then you strain it. So the milk takes on the flavor of the popcorn.
This is why it's so moist.
That's why it's so moist.
That's the secret, okay.
And you splash it like you're Jackson Pollocking the canvas. Yeah.
This is art, yes.
It is art. And then it's popcorn pudding. Then we gotta like sneak our texture in, which are these corn crumbs. So you basically just throw them over the surface of the corn pudding. Now we're gonna do this salted caramel. And then we basically do that same thing all over again. Cup, I'm a messy eater.
Cone.
Raw cookie dough.
Absolutely. Now what is this?
This is corn fudge. So we just take this and we just plop it on top. I'm gonna let you smooth.
Yes.
And then we garnish it with just some caramel corn. This goes in the freezer for like 2 hours, and then that's it. Rainbow.
None.
Oh, kettle corn.
Yeah,
oh.
kettle corn.
All right, I'm gonna go pull it out. You ready?
Okay, let's have
Okay.
it. Wow. Wow. You helped me achieve a dream.
So from here, you pull your trusty acetate back, and boom.
I'm impressed.
We did that.
I'm impressed. Yes.
All right, now we dig in.
This is awesome. Thank you.